affirmation mirror. I think that's what it's called. I'm gonna Google and see if I'm saying the right thing. Affirmation mirror. But wait, I'm gonna take out the trash first. Hold on.
And baby, one thing about me, I'm a back in anywhere I go. I don't care. You're gonna wait. I'll be that problematic person. I don't care because you never know when you got a GTF. Okay, I don't gotta get ready because I'm ready already. I stay ready. And not too much on me, y'all, because my nails is looking busted up, toes looking busted as well. But I wait a month, sometimes longer with my toes to get my nails and toes done because that's how long my nails last. I get my real nails, like an overlay, a dip powder on my real nails, and that's how long they last. If they're done right, they're supposed to last that way. But unpopular opinion, I don't think getting your nails and toes done is a relaxing experience. Like, it's not relaxing. I literally have knots in my stomach when going. Not that it's like a nervous feel. It's just getting pulled at and picked at, peeled at, skin dug out. Look at what she's getting. She's getting deep in that. That's literally. See, I'm getting distracted. She's digging all in my skin, getting all the dead skin out the cracks and crevices. Ooh. Yeah, but that shower afterwards, that shower after you get your nails and toes done hit different. You just be raw. It's just relaxing. But yeah, she's getting all that dead skin, all that good stuff removed. I like my toenails cut the lowest they possibly can. Honestly, the lowest they can get in without causing me to bleed. Honestly, without cutting my toenail. I feel like it's a special type of person that'll add an extra acrylic on your toenail is insane. I asked them to please cut it as low as you can. I don't care if you see the meat folding over the nail. I do not like long toenails. I despise them. So she cutting it real low. Y'all, she asked me, was it too hot? When she put the stone on me and asked me, was it too hot? It actually wasn't hot enough. I'm like, no, it's fine. It wasn't hot enough. I like showers all the way to H. Like, hot, burn, steam. I'm suffocating in the shower. I don't even want to stay under the water. I run from the water myself. It's like, oof, ooh, it's too hot for me. That's how hot I like my showers. Boiling hell, baby, you can burn me. Actually, go boil that stone a little bit more. I need steam coming out of the literal stone.